Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Civil Engineering Classes. In this tutorial we are going to learn the measure command. So let's start with this tutorial. Measure command or measurogram. This is used when you don't want any permanent dimension on your screen. As we have learned in our previous tutorial, the dimension commands, wherein we can use these commands or this linear or anything to show the permanent dimension. If you take the dimension of this by using this dimension command, this will remain on your screen. That whenever you want to check, you can see these measurements. But in case of measure or measurogram, it will not remain on your screen for permanent. It will just show you for the time being. If you want to check the area or dimension of this object, it will show you, and once you type enter, this will disappear. So let's see how it works. The shortcut key for measurement or measurogram is MEA, first three letters of the measure. You can also take this measure command from this utility. Click on this. Here you will get this option measure. When you click on this drop down, you will get these options: distance, radius, angle, area and volume. Volume is used in 3D modeling. When you want to check the volume of any solid object, you can take this volume option. Now here we'll see this distance, radius, angle and area options. Now first we'll give measure command. We'll give shortcut key MEA, enter. Now here at the cursor point you'll get these options: distance, radius, angle, area. So first I'll take distance. Click on distance. Now suppose I want to check the distance of this length of this rectangle. Then first click on this point, then click on this point, and you'll get this distance here. This distance is 25.12. So say enter. Now again you will get this point. You can check this length also without again taking the command. Now this is 14.26. Also you will get the angle that this line is making with the x-axis. This line is making 90-degree angle from this x-axis now. So say enter. Then again if you want to take any distance, you can take the distance between the midpoint of this rectangle and the midpoint of this circle. The distance will be shown here. Now if you want to come out of this, then just right click and say cancel. Now again we'll take measure command. Then we'll check the radius. Click on radius. Now click on this circle, and here you will get the radius, the diameter, and here also the radius from the point, the center point, to the circumference of the circle will be shown. Here the benefit is when you will check this radius, you will get the radius and also the diameter of this circle. Whereas in dimensions command, if you check this radius of the circle, it will show only the radius. For diameter you will have to take this separate command. So we'll come out of this. Now again we'll take measure command. We'll take this angle. Now suppose I want to check the angle between these two lines. Then first I'll click on this line, then this line, and this angle will be shown. This angle will be shown here. This is 70 degree. From this line to this line, the angle is 70 degree. Again, if you want to check the angle of this between these two lines, then click on this, click on this. This is 35 degree. Again here you will get these options. Click on the angle, click on these two lines, and this is 75 degree. Now here you can take the another option, that is area. Suppose if I want to find out the area of this triangle, then click on this point, click on this point, again click on this and click on this to close and say enter. Here you will get the area of this triangle as well as the perimeter of this triangle. Perimeter is the length of this triangle, total length, and area of this triangle. Again we'll take area and we'll find out area of this rectangle make sure this green color is filled in all the portion of your object. Now here the area is 62.66 square meter and the perimeter is 34.85. So here we'll take exit. Now again we'll take measure command. We'll take area. Now here there are option object. Suppose this object is made up of polyline. Now if you see, we'll come out of this command. Now if you see this object, this rectangle is made up of a polyline. Then at that time if you want to find out the area, then you can give the area command, measure command, and take the area. Now here there is an option object. Click on this object and click on this object. You will get the area of this rectangle, also the perimeter. This will only work when you will have a object made up of polyline. Again we'll take measure command. We'll take area. We'll take this object and click on this circle. You will get the area as well as circumference of this circle. So next we'll again take this area. Now suppose I want to measure the area of this bigger rectangle and subtract the area of this smaller rectangle. Then what I'll have to do is, here there is an option add area. Click on this. Now there is an option object. Click on this. Now select the bigger object. Say enter. Now again here is the option of subtract area. Click on it. Select object. Now select the object on your screen that you want to subtract. I'll click on this and say enter. Here you see this area is 62.66 is the area of the smaller rectangle, then the perimeter of it, and the total area is 295.47. This total area 295.47 is the total area of the bigger rectangle minus the area of the smaller rectangle. So say enter. So hope you all have understood how to use this measure command. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel to learn more about the AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.